By the end of this video, you will know how to void a payment in Clio Manage. You should already be signed in to your Clio Manage account. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Billing. This takes you to the area where billing activity and related records are managed. Once billing is open, go to the Transactions section. This is where recorded payment transactions are listed, and it is the place you will use to find the payment that needs to be voided. Give the list a moment to load if needed, then look through the available transactions until you find the specific payment you want to update. When you have located the correct payment, click on that payment entry to open its transaction details. Opening the details lets you confirm you are working with the right transaction before making any changes. Take a moment here to look over the payment information shown on screen so you are not voiding the wrong record. Next, find and click the Actions menu for that payment. The Actions menu contains the available options for the selected transaction. From that menu, choose Void Payment. This opens the void workflow for the payment you selected. At this point, review the payment information again. This confirmation step matters because voiding affects the recorded status of that transaction. Make sure the payment details match the transaction you intended to void, then continue. When Clio Manage prompts you to confirm the action, confirm void payment. After you do that, the system will process the change and update the transaction status. If the screen takes a moment to refresh, wait for the update to finish before moving on. Once the payment has been voided, return to the transaction list. You can go back to the Transactions section if you are not already there. In the list, find the same payment again and check its status. It should now be shown as voided. This final check confirms that the action was applied to the correct transaction and that the record has been updated as expected. That completes the process for voiding a payment in Clio Manage. You move from billing to the transaction details, open the Actions menu, selected Void Payment, confirm the action, and then verify the updated status in the transaction list. Thanks for watching. The payment is now marked as voided in Clio Manage.